Mixing cocktails is just a good skill to have. Whether it's for your own enjoyment, to impress your friends, to get a part-time job as a bartender, or to start a career. The hospitality industry employs millions of people throughout the world and is responsible for generating trillions of dollars in revenue every year. To maximize that revenue, employers usually aim to hire previously trained staff because training costs time and money. The best employees have the proper certifications, plus a great attitude. The better prepared potential employees are, the more likely they are to get hired. Our training program can make people with no industry experience into bartenders. This online course has been developed from a tried and tested, hands-on bartending course taught for almost 50 years here in Canada. Our students have come to us from all walks of life. Delivery drivers, real estate agents, accountants, engineers, stay-at-home moms, and English teachers have all come through our classes. After only a couple of weeks of training, they have found themselves working behind a bar. We know that eager students from anywhere can succeed in this course. We have people from around the world join us to learn how to bartend. Each year we have students come from the USA, Germany, Italy, China, Japan, Mexico, India, and Australia to learn with us. As a result of our international exposure, we capture the universal aspects of bartending in this program. Years of in-person teaching has shown us what essential skills are needed to succeed as a bartender anywhere in the world. Some of the best bartenders we have met are eager and creative. They experiment a little. Rather than just making a cocktail the same way every time because that's how it's done, they ask themselves why and become innovators in the process. Anyone can make up a cocktail, but without an understanding of the fundamentals, a bartender will have a hard time succeeding. Bartenders need to be knowledgeable, but they also need to entertain. Personality and good energy are keys to success. Being a bartender is one of the most social jobs in the world. However, only half the job behind the bar is making drinks. The other half is being a bartender. That includes entertaining customers, but also watching the room, restocking everything, and of course, cleaning. There's a lot more to bartending than meets the eye, so let's dive into the course.